In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Flow videos. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a blank browser window to a downloaded video file on your computer, with clear tips to avoid common hiccups along the way. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Google Flow. In the results, look for the official page from Google or the verified Flow site. Avoid sponsored links that don't clearly reference the official service. When you're confident you've found the right one, click through to open it. On the landing page, find the option that says Create with Flow. It's typically a prominent button, often near the top of the page. Click it. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account and follow any on-screen prompts. Some organizations have admin restrictions, so if you're on a work profile and can't proceed, try a personal account or check with your admin. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought into the main workspace. Next, click on New Project. This opens a fresh canvas where you can generate content. Give the page a second to load fully so all tools appear correctly. In the project space, type your prompt into the text field. A good prompt clearly describes the video you want. Think subject, style, length, or any specific moments you need. Keep it concise but descriptive. When you're ready, click the arrow icon to submit the prompt. Flow will process your request and produce one or more video options. Let the previews finish rendering. Downloading works best once processing is complete. When the videos appear, hover your mouse over the one you want to download. Move your cursor toward the top right corner of that video card to reveal the action icons. If you don't see them, give it a moment or move your cursor slightly. They usually appear as an overlay. Make sure the video shows as fully generated before proceeding. Click the download icon. If a quality or format menu appears, pick the option that fits your needs. Higher quality looks better, but results in a larger file. Your browser will start the download, typically saving to your Downloads folder unless you've set a custom location. If nothing happens, check for a blocked pop-up or a permission prompt near your address bar and allow the site to save files. That's it. You searched for Google Flow, opened the correct page, created with Flow, started a new project, entered your prompt, hovered over your chosen video, and hit download. Remember to only download content you have rights to use. Thanks for watching and happy creating.